Hello everyone, my name is Neetu and today we are going to study about the air pollution, right? So in this video, we are covering these two things as mentioned in content. First is definition of air pollution. What is air pollution, right? Then classification of air pollution, right? Moving ahead. So this is the introduction about air pollution. Air pollution is contamination of air due to presence of gases, dust and smoke, which affects the plant, animals and humans, right? This is the classification of air pollution. Here we can see that air pollution has been classified into four categories on the basis of origin, on the basis of state of matter, on the basis of chemical composition, and on the basis of source. Further, this is we are discussing about according to its origin, right? We are talking about classification, which is according to its origin, right? So it's divided into two parts, that is primary air pollutant and secondary air pollutant. अब primary air pollutants क्या होते हैं? We are going to see that, right? They are directly emitted as pollutant. ये directly emit होते हैं as a pollutant, right? And when we are talking about secondary air pollutants, they are not directly emitted. They form by combination or by reaction of pollutants. ठीक है, ये डायरेक्टली किसी सोर्स से एमिट नहीं होते, ये किसी कॉम्बिनेशन से या रिएक्शन के थ्रू बनते हैं. ठीक है, प्राइमरी एयर पोल्यूटेंट का एग्जांपल अगर हम देखें तो इट्स CO2, NOx is oxides of nitrogen, right? And SOx is oxides of sulfur. There are many other examples. Then we are talking about secondary air pollutants. So secondary air pollutants are examples are NO2, tropospheric ozone, benzene, etc. Moving ahead. Yes, this is according to state of matter. According to state of matter, even it is divided into two types, that is gaseous air pollutant and particulate air pollutants. ठीक है? What are gaseous air pollutants? Gaseous in nature, right? They are gaseous in nature. They obey gas law. इसका example है CO हो गया, CO2 हो गया. They are gases, right? Now talking about particulate pollutants, so they are non-gaseous, right? If they are non-gaseous, that means they are either solid or liquid. ठीक है, in chemistry, in class 9, 10, 11, 12, if you were from science background, so you have studied about state of matter, right? It is of three types, right? uh, Solid, liquid and gaseous. तो gaseous की अगर हम बात करें तो gaseous pollutants होते हैं जो gaseous form में होते हैं. Particulate जो solid और liquid बच गए वो particulate pollutants. ठीक है, they are large particles. ठीक है, large भी हो सकते हैं and they can also be fine particulates, right? इसके अगर हम एग्जांपल की बात करें तो इट इज बॉटम ऐश एंड फ्लाई ऐश. एक होमवर्क मैं आपको देती हूँ, छोटा सा है, बहुत ज्यादा है, बड़ा नहीं है. इसमें हमने लार्ज पार्टिकुलेट और फाइन पार्टिकुलेट की बात करी. ठीक है, मैंने एग्जांपल भी इसमें मेंशन किए हैं, दैट इज बॉटम ऐश एंड फ्लाई ऐश. अब आपको क्या करना है, इसमें से कमेंट्स में बताना है कि जो लार्ज पार्टिकुलेट कौन सा है और फाइन पार्टिकुलेट कौन सा है. ठीक है, so this is your homework. Okay, moving ahead. According to chemical composition, okay, on the basis of chemical composition, even it is divided into two parts, that is organic pollutants and inorganic pollutants. अब organic pollutant क्या होते हैं, inorganic pollutant क्या होते हैं, I hope you know that. Still, I'll tell you कि organic जो pollutants होते हैं इनमें कार्बन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड होता है, इनमें कार्बन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड होता है. ठीक है, और जो इनऑर्गेनिक पोल्यूटेंट्स होते हैं इनमें कार्बन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड नहीं होता. ठीक है, अच्छा, इसके अगर हम एग्जांपल्स की बात करें सो इट इज मीथेन, बेंजीन एंड बेंजोल. ठीक है, मीथेन का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, बेंजीन का क्या होता है और बेंजोअल्फा पायरीन का क्या होता है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज आल्सो योर होमवर्क. यू हैव टू राइट द फॉर्मूलाज ऑफ मीथेन, बेंजीन एंड बेंजोअल्फा पायरीन. One thing I would like to say is please don't think that I am not aware about the formulas. Okay, I know its formula, it is CH4, right? Further, I'm giving you the task of doing this, right? Even I know these two also. I'll share it. But I'm giving it to you. Okay. Or I may even tell you. Okay. It is CH4, it is C6H6, right? And it is C20H12. Okay. Still, it's your homework to write it. Okay. Inorganic pollutants, if we are talking about, so its examples are CO, NOx, and SOx. I am thinking that you have seen the video before, so you know the meaning of NOx and SOx, right? Okay. Now talking about the sources, right? On the basis of its sources, it is further divided into two types, that is natural sources and man-made sources. Man-made sources are also known as anthropogenic sources, right? नेचुरल सोर्सेज कौन से होते हैं एयर पोल्यूशन के? वोल्केनिक इरप्शन हो गया, फॉरेस्ट फायर हो गया, विंड ब्लोन डस्ट हो गया, एक्सेट्रा। मैन मेड या एंथ्रोपोजेनिक सोर्सेज की अगर हम बात करें तो इट कैन बी थर्मल पावर प्लांट, इंडस्ट्रियल यूनिट्स हो सकते हैं, व्हीकलर एमिशन हो गया, फॉसिल फ्यूल बर्निंग हो गया, एग्रीकल्चरल एक्टिविटीज हो गया। ठीक है? Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much. And if you like the video, just like it and share it and comment में मुझे जरूर बताएं कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो आपको किस पर चाहिए